Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is August 14, 2022. Hope you're all doing well. In today's segment, we'll take a look at stocks with heavy insider as well as institutional buying. As many of you know, when there is a heavy insider buying and institutional buying, the stocks can really go higher, especially when they're beaten down. So with that, let's jump in and take a look at the stocks with heavy insider as well as institutional buying and see if we can buy along with them. So with that, let's jump in and get started. Look, we got a company here, DoorDash. DoorDash stock came down, but now there is a heavy insider buying. It could be time to buy some DoorDash along with the smart money. So with that, let's jump in and get started. Look, we'll start with a quick market update and look at the stocks with the volume more than 1 million shares and with the heavy insider as well as institutional buying. So finally we'll conclude. So with that, let's jump in. Look, from a market perspective, we got a 1 year chart here. The S&P 500 or ES as we call in the futures world. It cleared the key resistance level. Now we can see some uptrend as we see here. And same story with the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It's cleared its resistance level above a key level here. And same story with the Nasdaq also. Nasdaq is flying high off late. And Russell, same story, nicely above the resistance level and going higher. This can be support as we go forward. And we got here 10-year treasury, which is the interest rate trying to tick higher. That could be a danger sign. So we got to be careful with the Feds. Look, crude oil is coming down slightly. A great time to buy some good crude oil names. And we got gold trying to go higher after getting beaten down big time. Gold is a good one. If you bought it at the bottom, it's a great buy. I do have some GLD and GDX which are doing well now. And we got dollar here. Dollar is getting strengthened. So we got to be careful here with the dollar getting strengthened. There could be some issue with the multinational companies, and also commodities and basic materials can get some beating here. So with that, let's go into a little more detail. Look, we'll start with the heavy insider buying. From an insider buying perspective, look, we got top names here. All these stocks are traded more than 1 million shares. Look, we got Kodak here, Eastman Kodak. Nice insider buy and nice net margin is 1 here, just 1%, barely making money. Market cap is $539 million. And the problem with this one is it's already high, as you can see here. RSI in 14 days is 71, RSI in 7 days is 76, and look, volume is getting dried up here. So I would not go into Eastman Kodak at these levels here. Instead, what I would do is I would look at lower RSI candidates. I might jump into some INCY here. This stock has been struggling. Look, perfect 100 score here. But the problem with the INCY is, look, volume is drying up here. So that's why if you're a long-term holder, you could buy some INCY taking advantage of low RSI here, both at 14-day as well as 7-day levels here. As you scan through here, we got a few names with the nice volume. Look, we got PSTX and WRBY Parker, both nice volume. As you can see here, both stocks have been beaten down big time. They are nicely below their 52-week high. As the volume is going into these names here, you could still buy these names here. I would rather buy them on a little bit down day here. Look, nice volume here. The volume is current volume is above its 10-day average by 15%. It's above its 20-day average by 2.31%, and so on and so forth. That's why it's a good one to buy even up here, especially it's down big time from 52-week high. And we got a few more here. Look, we got MRSN here, just a $7 stock. Look, nice volume here. Volume is improving nicely here. Stock is already up. I would not be chasing those. Instead, I will go after names like DoorDash here. Look, DoorDash is $77, and look, as of now, as you can see here, stock is trying to see where to go here. Volume is not there yet. Volume is not there, as you can see here, and RSI is low, as you see here. It's 54. So if you're a long-term buyer, you could buy some DoorDash here. It's a controversial play here, given volume is drying up here, but you could still buy for long term. And we got AFRM. Look at the volume, nice volume in AFRM here, but look, RSI is high, but it's getting stronger. Look, RSI in 14 days 72, but it's 7 days 80. That tells you this is even getting stronger. But I would wait for a little pullback here, given stock has made so much jump here. And we got a few more here. Look, nice volume in HashiCorp, as you can see here. It's also a good one. It's a beaten down big time while ago. Look at the volume, nice volume surge. You could buy some HashiCorp here. As you see, RSI perspective, RSI in 7 days is more than RSI in 14 days. That tells you it's getting stronger. And also nice and high short ratio tells you this can have a short squeeze. And we got one more here with nice and high volume here, ExxonMobil, one of my favorite stock here, and RSI is getting stronger. Look, RSI 14 is 58 and RSI 7 is 65. You could buy ExxonMobil up here, you will do well. And we got one more here, Bumble got beaten down big time here. You could buy some Bumble here. Volume is drying up, as you can see here, but you could buy it for a little bit longer term. And the list goes on here, as you can see here. Also watch net margin. If you're a conservative investor, you could go after net margin positive companies like Pfizer, ExxonMobil, and so on and so forth. You will do well. Even Six Flags, for that matter, stock is beaten down, you could do very well if you buy and hold. Insiders are buying, as you can see here. All right, let's jump in. Even Coinbase, for that matter, look, insiders are buying. Stock got beaten down big time after the earnings. If you're a long-term holder, you could buy some Coinbase also. All right, list continues here. Look, we got a few more here. Keep watching that volume here. Nice and high volume in GCI, DSEY, and EVLV here. And look, RSI perspective. Look, low RSI in GCI, DSEY. You could buy them along with these insiders here. And we got Evolve. Evolve is getting stronger, as you can see here. RSI in 14 days 63, but RSI in 7 days 70. And look, it's down 67% from 52-week high. It can have some more legs here. And list goes on. We got one more here, ENVX here, just a $22 stock here. Look, it had a nice rally already here. I would not jump in up here. And look, we got yellow here. Yellow, look, nice volume here. Volume is picking up here, and a nice insider buy. You could buy some YELL, very low price stock, as you can see here, but volume is picking up here, so you could buy some YELL. And we got one more right here, BioAlta, biotech company. Look, nice surge here. I would be slightly careful to buy it up here. Look at the surge here. It's a very low price stock. And we got a few more here. Look, we got TripAdvisor. This could be a good one to buy at these levels here, down 30% from 52-week high. But look at that volume. Volume is picking up slowly, which is a good sign here. And we got a few more here. GE, MGNX, and PRCH, all picking up from a volume perspective. You could take a look at those also. Many of them have got nice rally, as you can see here. And we got Uber also getting stronger. You could buy some Uber also here. Nice volume surge. That could be a good one also here. And we got BBBY. BBBY got battered, as many of you know here. Now it's getting stronger, as you see here. RSI perspective, 14-day RSI is 77, but look, 7-day RSI is even stronger. Nice and high short ratio. Stock already had a nice short squeeze here. I would not jump in up here. All right, let's jump in and look at the heavy institutional buying stocks. Look, we got list of stocks, the heavy institutional buying. Look at that institutional buying here. Nice and high institutional buying, as you can see here. And look, we got a few stocks at the top here. Look at WBD here, Warner Brothers. Nice and high in relative volume here. Looks like volume is picking up, which is a good sign here. And RSI is low. You could buy this one. You could do well. Even RKLY here, look, nice and high institutional buy here. Volume is not there yet, but low float. You could buy this one also up here. and 9% short. You could have short squeeze as you go forward. And we got a few more here. As you see here, we got a volume picking up in RIGL here. Look, it's a very low price stock here. You could go along with this one here. A little bit high float for very small price stock here. I would probably be a little careful here and go after a little bit lower floats names here. And look, we got few more names here with the nice and high volume picking up, nice volume here. And many of these stocks are getting stronger. As you see here, RSI 14-day versus RSI 7-day. RSI 7-day is stronger. That tells you these stocks have got more room to run. And we got a few more. As you see here, keep watching the nice volume increase here. We got Sorrento as well as Porsche. Both have got nice volume uptick here. But look, Porsche has got a nice run. You got to be slightly careful to buy up here. And we've got a few more here. Look, we got Allbird, stock got clobbered a while ago. It's going higher now. You could buy some Allbird at these levels here. Nice volume pickup here. And finally, we got AHCO, nice volume pickup here. You could buy this one also. Nice and high institutional, nice and high insider buy also here. Nice overall score. You could buy this low price stock here. You would do well. All right, so with that, when the market is volatile, be very selective. Go after the stocks where insiders are buying and institutional buying. They have a lot more information than retail investors like us. You could pick up some good names and buy along with them. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.